Hey everyone, Ian checking in again on the Space Investor Outreach. So what I did was I went ahead and LinkedIn requested everybody with semi-custom messages. Then what I did was I actually went on ChatGPT and worked together to figure out a good email sequence. So using my platform I've been using called Kajabi, let me pull that up. I created a series of emails for the potential investors. I created 7 in total. So through the 7 touch points theory in marketing, I should reach out to everybody at least 8 times. We're on now outreach number 5. I've had several meetings with different groups of people. Some were investors, some were running equity crowdfunding platforms. Some are doing nonprofits, which are pretty interesting. I still believe the fastest way to get funding and start building out this electric CubeSat launcher is through probably just one investor who's going to fund the full 500K. I'm going to keep outreaching till I do that. Hopefully, in the next couple of days, I'll get a meeting that will work out perfectly. If not, I'm gonna keep on at it. I can always do warm intros, make connections with people who've already raised funding. I can always cold call. So there's many opportunities still out there. I'm not gonna give up, obviously. Um, but yeah, that's part of the journey. You just got to keep outreaching, keep improving the script. I've evolved the deck many times from feedback, everything from making it simpler to making it more clear. Our revenue targets. Right now we're looking to raise 500K. This will allow us to create 100 to 200 million annually from CubeSat launches, and then our goal is to develop the EVA spacesuit, and that could easily be 1 billion units in annual sales from 1,000 units at 1 million a piece, or as we scale down 10,000 units at 150K a piece. So yeah, that's the plan. Just gonna keep outreaching. That there's not much else to update other than that. Once the full email sequence goes through, hopefully I've landed a investor by then. So it what's cool about Kajabi, it gives demographics. It gives who actually clicked on it, who unsubscribed. So as you can see, a lot of these people I'm reaching out to, what I did was I gave them access to my lucid dreaming course. So it was a course to teach you how to lucid dream consistently. So I gave it as a free gift to all the potential investors as a way of saying thank you for taking the time to read our stuff and to maybe book a call with us. So as you can see, pretty high click-through rate on the first email. It's been dwindling down, and everyone since that, obviously, you get marketing fatigue. But the next one should be going out in an hour or two, and then I have 2 more. And then once this one goes through, I'll probably do another update video with any new calls I had. And yeah, it should be a good journey. I really think the most important part on this journey is just not giving up. Because if you stay on the path long enough, keep evolving, keep learning, you'll eventually find your path to success. Whether you're raising funding, building a new prototype, a new company, whatever you're trying to do, just don't give up. I think that's the biggest lesson I've learned from all of my business, up to this point. So I'm just going to keep at it. I'll keep you up to date. And if you have any feedback, any questions, feel free to comment below. All right, talk to you soon.